Hi, in this video we are going to continue the creation of the website. This is a list of suggestions how you should use this video. The notes for this video can be found at this URL, which is loaded here. And this is why we stopped. So in this step, what we are going to work on is, let's go and check the sketch real quick. We have already done the banner, we created the bevel effects that we want, and we are going to do the logo and the text here. Okay, so first let us open the logo. We downloaded the Presbyterian logo. Okay, but the problem is this is a GIF file, so if you try to move it, it's not going to work. Okay, so you cannot just drag it in this case. So before you move on, let us make sure we select the correct layer. So choose this file. We can lock our background so we don't accidentally change anything in the background, and we are going to drag this to this layer, title and top navigation. So make sure you select the title and top navigation before you move this over. Okay, all right, let's come over here, and we cannot move like what we said. What we need to do is first we use a rectangular marquee tool, select the whole thing, do an edit copy, come over here, make sure you're in the correct layer, and do an edit paste. So now you have this logo here. Let us close this. We don't need this anymore, and your logo is in layer 1. So use the move tool. We want it to be here, right? So let's zoom in a little bit. We want to get rid of the blue background. Okay, so use the magic wand tool. And the tolerance doesn't really matter because it's just blue, right? So click on this part. Probably a little bit too much. So let's undo. Let's say tolerance is 25. Try the magic wand again. Probably that's better. And then we do a delete. Press the delete key to delete that. And then do a select, deselect to deselect the things. Now the logo is good. Oops, one more thing to delete. Magic wand again. Delete. And then do a select, deselect. So this is the logo that is good. Rename this to logo Presbyterian. Use the move tool, move this one here. Okay. I may have to make a small error here, but it doesn't really matter. We can fix it when we code. But anyway, the logo is here. And then do an edit. Free transform. Press the Shift key when you transform. Let's take a quick look what the logo should be. Logo should be from here to here. So there's a gap here and a gap here. That's correct. Move, apply. Hey, I think it's just nice. We got it the first time. Yep, it's like almost perfect. Okay. Nope, I think we need to be slightly smaller because we need to, yep, let's try to make it slightly smaller. Make sure you press the Shift key. Make sure you press the Shift key when you resize to keep the aspect ratio so that the whole thing will not be distorted. And then apply. Okay, before we move on, let's create a drop shadow effect. So make sure you're still selecting the logo, apply the FX effect, style, drop shadow. Okay, so it's drop shadow here, 65%, 135 here. Do not use the global light. Distance is 3, no spread, and 3. Yep. 65, 135, no global light, 303. Okay, so that's a nice drop shadow. If you zoom in, the drop shadow should be within this. No, it's not. So we have to resize it again. Okay, now that's good. Yep. You can use the arrow key to get the exact location. Okay, so the shadow is within the, because later we're going to slice it, so you want the shadow to be within this line. So now we are going to do the title. The title is going to be 5 columns because we decided that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, text, horizontal type 2. Color should be EC, which is something like white, but not really. So EC. Okay, left aligned. Font is this one, Lucida Sans, which you can find it below here. Okay, but here, this one. Okay. If you want to have more control of the character, you can bring out a Windows character window. So regular. I want 30 font, 30 points. I think this one doesn't really matter. I want it to be bold. Left align, that's good. So let's just type it here. Okay, yep, that's good. Move it to be within the 5 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Looks good. I think I can move it up a tiny bit. Okay, now I want to apply the same effect, so I just used alternate drag. to drag the same drop shadow effect there, so you have the same drop shadow effect. Okay. All right, very good. Next one, text, horizontal text 2 again. This time we are going to use Arial. Nope, don't do that. Okay. We're going to type first. Now you can change the font. Arial. 12. No bold. Okay. And right aligned. And type. Oops, I created another layer. Let's trash this. Trash this. Okay, let's try that again. Text. Alright, I'll type first. And then we select it. Arial. Not bold, right line. That looks good. If you want more space, you can change this as well, but I think we are good. And then I can move it. To here. Use the alternate key. So alternate drag. Okay, looks really good. The last thing we want to do is create a line here. So where is the line? Use the pen tool. 4 point normal stroke. Press enter and then draw a line here. Press the shift key when you draw the line. Oops, sorry. Okay, let's try that again. So use the pen tool. Step backward. Let's show how to draw this again. Use the pen tool, click once here. Press the shift key and click another once here to create absolutely straight line, and realize I do not want that color, so I have to change this to this one, which is the EC that you selected. Press enter key and change this name to line. Hey, we're done. Very nice. So you can zoom out to see. If you say you don't like this, it's not really a line, you can select it and shift 1. Choose this to use the move tool to move, up. Okay, I think that's better. Yep, I think that's better. So do a file save. I think that's a very good place to stop for this video. It looks really nice, I think. Okay, in the next video, we're going to continue to create the navigation here. Thanks for watching.